Hello, everybody in the club. Thank you for this first quarter package reveal. I'm getting ready to deliver this package. So I thought I would do a reveal and have it for the Facebook group. So you'll be receiving your packages and seeing the first quarter reveal in this very full package, purple package that comes to your door, and you'll be getting it like this. And so hopefully when you open it, depending on how you open it, it will come out and you will have some candy. So well, candy's not going to fall out first. Okay, so you pull it out like that, then that's supposed to be how it comes out. All right, so hopefully on top it will come out with some candy, and then you have a magnet with the little logo that I made. I'm hoping this is in, I can't see my camera, so I'm hoping this is right. So this is a magnet to put on your fridge or wherever you put magnets, and then the other two are stickers. So wherever you like to keep stickers, those are. So I'll try to include a couple of that every time. Then there's a card, a welcoming letter for the first time you come to the club. We'll see what I do every month after that. Then a card, because of course it wouldn't be a stamping club without some sort of little stamping project. And then the first time you come into our club, I'll give you some little gift. So this particular person got a little notebook. It might vary from person to person, depending on what I have. So this month, of course, you get a PDF tutorial. If you have any questions on the projects or this isn't good enough, let me know, and then I can make a video or something. But I feel like these weren't very difficult and the pictures should suffice on how to do them. This month we are featuring Catch You Later stamp set. It has stamp sets and sentiments. They are cling stamp sets. I can make a video and upload it for those of you who are really new on how to put these together. Some people like their I personally like my pictures on my stamps. So I can make a quick video for you. I have some new stamps that I need to do that too. I also included a Memento black ink pad to stamp your stamps with, because we do a lot of coloring in this one. Everything we do is on note cards this month. We even make a little mini album using the note cards, so that's included. Of course, we use some matte dots to accent with. I've included one set of blends. These are the ones I use the monkeys with. We also do use a couple other blends. If you don't have them, you can get with me to get them. I use daffodil for the birds, smoky slate, and a balmy blue for the cat. If you don't have them, get with me and I'll help you order them. Then paper-wise, oh, there's some more candy. You have a quarter pack of the party pattern that was from the annual catalog. So I put it between some cardboard to keep it from getting bent. And then you will have the card kits. I put them in little packets. So this package is for the cards, and then they're individually. You have to cut your paper yourself, and that is on the tutorial on how much to cut it. But the rest of the papers, I mean the cardstock and items are here. And then the little mini book that we make is in a separate package right here. So if you have any questions or issues on how to make it, your items, just feel free to message me or ask in the Facebook group and I will get back to you. And I hope you enjoy being part of our sweet little Stampin' Club. I look forward to it, and I will try to get these mailed out by the middle of the month. Well, the month following the quarter, and this will be lots of fun. Thank you so much. Bye.